gonna get really angry. Okay, make sure the peanut butter is even on each slice. You don't want it, it to come off and go into your nose. Yes, I'm not considering it a kitchen or probably yummy on those cookies. What's wrong with that feeling? But I like hey. This is also a very good snack for really living. Okay. Then after you get the peanut butter on, let's sort of be quite easy. You get your board cheese. I have this. Ready from the store a while ago. I can give you the baggie. Where is it? Okay. And here's some real. You can have this. Look at it. The burn. It is now for the seed on the bread. Make sure not to have too much. Like, add as much as you want and this is actually quite tasty. That's actually tasty corn when you put it in something like that. So that's all you need to do to make a tasty snack for your board. So basically, got peanut butter, put it on there, and then put seed on it. I did this one. The board family did. Why? Yeah,